In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw rewards from Swagbucks into PayPal Cash. So if you're a Swagbucks user who has been collecting those valuable Swagbucks points by completing surveys, watching videos or engaging with offers, and now you want to convert them into actual cash, this guide is just for you. Let's walk through this process together step by step, making sure you understand every detail. First, let's get started by logging into your Swagbucks account. So, head over to the Swagbucks website and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're successfully logged in, take a look at the top navigation bar. Here, you'll see various options, but what you're going to do is click on More. This will reveal additional options that aren't immediately visible on the main dashboard. Now, from the drop down that appears after clicking on More, you're going to select the Redeem Rewards option. This section is where all your accumulated points can be transformed into tangible rewards, such as gift cards and of course PayPal Cash. Once inside the Redeem Rewards section, what you want to do next is search for PayPal. There's a handy search bar and simply typing PayPal will filter the reward options down to show what you're interested in. If you don't immediately see an option that fits what you're looking for, don't worry. You might want to click on Show More to expand the list of available PayPal rewards. This ensures you're seeing all the options available to you, and you can find the perfect redemption offer to fit the amount you have in mind. After identifying the right PayPal Cash reward for you, click on PayPal to proceed. Keep in mind that you'll need to select the amount you wish to withdraw. This is crucial because you want to make sure it aligns with the Swagbucks you've accumulated and the minimum withdrawal limits. With your desired amount selected, the next step is to click on Redeem. It's a simple, straightforward step, but make sure you've double checked everything so there's no confusion later on. Once you hit Redeem, you'll probably be prompted to confirm your redemption. This is the final check to ensure you're absolutely certain about the transaction. So take a moment to verify everything. There you have it. Once you've confirmed your PayPal Cash withdrawal is set in motion, just like that, you've turned those hard-earned Swagbucks points into usable PayPal Cash. Keep an eye on your PayPal account. It might take a little time for the transaction to reflect, but it will get there. And there you go. With these steps, you've successfully cashed out your Swagbucks into PayPal. Thanks for watching, and happy earning.